Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. 완용합니다. 여기 오신 곳을 완용합니다. Hello. 안녕하세요 means hello. 완용합니다 means welcome. 여기 오신 곳을 완용합니다 means welcome here. 저는 우스만입니다. 저는 파키스탄에서 왔습니다. 저는 한국어를 배우고있어요. 저는 우스만입니다. I'm Usman. 저는 파키스탄에서 왔습니다. I'm from Pakistan. 저는 한국어를 배우고있어요 means I am learning Korean language. 잘 지내시나요? 좋고 나도나요? 괜찮아요? How are you? Good or better? Okay. 괜찮아요 means okay. This is my day 11 of Korean language speaking challenge, and before going ahead I have a little question. 이게 뭐야? What is this? And as usual, 이건 한국어로 토인포인트야. It is a Korean letter. I am repeating these sentences so that I may learn these sentences by heart. 아주 쉬워. Very easy. In this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Mutaffifin, Surah number 83, ayat number 18. In Korean language it is Goruna Viroun Chadiroe Girokyun Iline Povandenani. Goruna means but, Chadiroe means of the people, Girok means record. This is my Korean language speaking challenge from this day. And we will meet next time inshallah. 안녕히 goodbye. 감사합니다. Thank you. 즐거운 시간 되시오. Have a nice time. We'll meet next time inshallah.